In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your HTML website online in minutes using Hostinger's 2025 guide. Whether you're a beginner building your first site or someone looking to streamline your web hosting process, this guide is for you. To start, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. If you haven't already set up an account, you will need to register and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which serves as the front line for your web management tasks. Next, locate and click on the Websites option in the menu. This section is where all the magic happens. You'll see a list of your current projects, but for now, we're focused on getting your HTML files online, so click on Dashboard for the website you want to manage. If you don't immediately see the file manager, don't worry. Things sometimes change on interfaces. You might need to explore the Check Roadmap link to navigate accordingly. This roadmap helps guide you through the newer updates and features that might have shuffled things around a bit since the last time you visited. Once you're equipped with the roadmap knowledge, you need to type File in the search bar to access options related to file management. From here, click on Web Hosting, which will lead you to the hosting services available with your account. Following this, you'll be directed to a feature titled How to Use File Manager. It's important to take a moment and read through. This ensures you grasp what features and functionalities are at your disposal. Good information makes navigating this process smoother. Now it's time to dive into the File Manager itself. Note that the File Manager is available for all Hostinger users, except for those using Hostinger Website Builder and Hostinger Horizons. To access it, you'll need to return to hPanel by logging in, selecting your hosting plan, and hitting that Manage button. On the site's dashboard, choose File Manager from the sidebar under the Files option. Navigating the File Manager is straightforward. The interface is divided into sections: the sidebar, the file management area, and the top menu. The sidebar offers options like accessing your files, creating new files or folders, checking the trash bin, and viewing storage usage. This provides a comprehensive overview of your resources and activity. In the central file management area, you can view, manage, and modify your files and folders. Simply right-click for options like rename, copy, move, or delete. For more advanced navigations, the breadcrumb at the top keeps your journeys efficient and organized. With the built-in text editor of File Manager, file editing is a breeze. This editor allows you to make quick changes directly on the server, complete with a syntax highlighter to lessen human error while coding. By the end of this process, your HTML website should be online, giving you a fully functional site presented to the world. Make sure to explore more of Hostinger's features to optimize your web hosting experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope your website launch is a great success.